So this week I forgot to film an intro, but the footage that we have is pretty much a part 2 of last week. Hope you enjoy. So this is more demo in the dining room, removing paneling and some old radiator pipes, as well as old wallpaper. And after this we'll move on to the living room.
Hey, you don't want to save that.
Yeah, we'll be.
That's $100 piece of wood right there.
Better than mine. Is your phone newer?
What?
Is your phone newer than mine?
My phone, what?
Don't go towards the mantle. You could break the mirror.
Man, go through take some screws. Alright, we're going to start on the bigger piece. Maybe get to it from the other side. Ready? Thought it would come down
Did a little better with this piece. Everything's a competition.
What, Hazel?
Can you go away from the window now? Like go over there and push that way?
Maybe.
This house will be a couple thousand pounds lighter just to stuff, right?
But we're gonna put sheetrock
It's gonna
back.
be a lot bigger because you making so much stuff.
Increase the square footage.
But didn't that make an amazing difference opening that up?
I didn't see it before, so.
Oh, it's awesome.
You know I cringe every time it swings that way.
You cringe every time what?
It swings towards the mirror.
Get it out.
No, no.
I dropped it. That's mine.
I just want to see where we were. We still, that one piece is like up there.
That's probably where the issue was.
I think we liquid nails it up. maybe not.
What's the wood look like under it?
It looks like wood.
No water damage or?
No, it looks pretty good. Screws.
I wonder why they did
Look at
that.
all the screws.
That's a bunch of screws.
Good night.
We're totally screwed.
That was screwed up.
Screw that.